I'm going for a walk. I'm gonna do meal planning, and I'm also going to break my fast at 12 o'clock. So I just wanted to come on here and say hi, welcome to my channel. Hope you are well. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amina. My channel is skincare, lifestyle, and also clothing, and most importantly, God first. Everything I do, God first. So if that's your vibe, come on, have fun over here, okay? We are going to cook today. I'm going to make jerk chicken, rice, and like a red sauce, and maybe salad and plantains. That's what we're gonna have for dinner, and then we're gonna do some meal planning, and then I'm going to do some facial steaming, use my teeth whitener as well. I like it. I do it once a week. Okay, so for lunch we are going to do like a spring rolls, because we're on that journey. So we're gonna do spring rolls with shrimp, and then for breakfast, like around 12:30, I'm gonna do what is it called, sweet potato fries and eggs and kimchi on the side. So okay, you should know this about me. I love kimchi. Have you had kimchi? Kimchi is so good. Like, I didn't know kimchi was that delicious. I know it's cabbage, I know that, but I just thought it was other stuff. But I mean, there are other things in there, but I didn't know the main ingredient was cabbage. Did you know that? Anyway, I love cabbage and I love kimchi. I just love it. And this girl on YouTube where she's saying if you want to help, like, have a healthy gut or a healthy digestion or stomach or whatever, you should take a lot of probiotics and prebiotics. So I have that with my Ollie, and then I also am drinking kombucha, and I'm also taking kimchi. I'm eating kimchi. I love eating kimchi. Kombucha is nice. Don't drink the whole bottle, if you know what I mean. Don't drink the whole bottle for the first time. If you have never drank kombucha before, please drink it little by little. You will understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, all right, so these are the vitamins that I take every morning and also at night. So this is Vita Fusion. This is women's multivitamins. This is good for energy and your immune system. This is vitamin D3 and K2. This supports your bone health, and it's from Now. This is iron, because I have low iron, so I do take this. And this is Nature's Bounty, and this is Spring Valley. This is B12. This is really good. It supports your metabolism, your nervous system, and gives you a boost of energy. L-glutamine, again from Now. This helps with your gut. It's really good. You take it 3 times a day before your meal. And vitamins that I take every morning. All right. Okay, so there's this bag that I bought from Amazon. I told you I'm obsessed with Amazon, right? And it is a dupe for Marc Jacobs tote bag. I love this bag. This bag is huge. So there are different sizes. There are medium, small, and large. And I think extra large. I got the biggest. I think that's extra large. And this can fit my laptop, my tablet, pretty much everything that you need that is essential to your life can fit in that bag. And I am obsessed with it. I am obsessed. It goes everywhere with me. So I have the black, and I have I think it's a creamish tan color in the medium size. I'm going to get like the whole collection. That's how obsessed I am with that bag. And it's half the price. You know, hey, we are all about affordability here. You know, you don't have to be frugal in the sense of like the items the person is somewhere else and it's not, you know, up to par. But Amazon has items that are up to par. They are at that standard, and that's why I love Amazon for their items. Their items are chef's kiss. Love it, believe me. And it's called the tote bag. All right, thank me later. So I didn't put on any makeup today. I just didn't feel like putting on makeup. So I just did, you know, for today I just didn't feel like putting on makeup. So yeah, I don't have any errands to run today, I don't think so, but I do have some things I need to do on my laptop with my work, because it's raining today. I don't really like driving in the rain. And yeah, what do you think about my nails? They're so cute. Like this Beat Tart, is it Beat Tart? Beat Tart box nails. Their nails are so cute. I bought like the toenails as well. I'll show that to you in a moment. Very cute. Like I'm like, wow, this is lovely. I think it's like $26, which is not bad. And once you get like their other items like but once you get all of that and, you know, take care of your nails, you're good to go. And I'm a DIY girl. I like to do everything by myself. I love it. It's so cute. And the one I got is the almond shape, and I think I like almond shape. It's really cute. Shows like I can recommend, and also books. So this is my recommendation, and I'm also going to purchase it as well. I've been seeing it all over Amazon. Let me get my Amazon and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's called Atomic Habits, like how to build good habits. I kind of have that already because I went to military school in Nigeria, in the sense of like structure, discipline. I know when to, like, I'm very strict when it comes to like setting time frames, so I kind of have that structure, like mind frame already. But I have been hearing that it is a good book, and on Amazon it's like 130,000 people have purchased the book already, so it's a very good book. And there's another one called Leadership. It is by Mr. Tony Oyatedor. Very good book. It's about leadership, how leadership needs to be implemented in the country of Nigeria. Very good book. It talks about what is going on right now in Nigeria, about the oil, about wealth, and also the caste system as well. Give it a good, you should look into it. It's also on Amazon, and I will link the books down below. And the shows that I'm gonna recommend to watch. Okay, I think I'm the only person that doesn't watch Netflix. Yeah, I don't like Netflix too much. I'm so sorry. It's okay. See something on Netflix, I will watch it. Okay. Fan of Seinfeld. I grew up on Seinfeld. Being in this country, like, that is like my #1 show. On Netflix, I was like, okay, this is good. But I'm not recommending Seinfeld because everybody can watch Seinfeld. But I am recommending House of Ninja. Girl, let me tell you, that show is bomb. That show is bomb. That show is good. Hey, if you watch that show, come on, if the show sweet die. Okay, make I just speak my broken English, because when I'm very excited, that's when my broken English comes out. The show is so sweet. Okay, so it's about a family that they're ninjas. I actually stayed up till like 5 a.m. to finish the series. That's how good Oh, it's a show about a family of ninjas, and Japan. Yeah, it's in Japan, and fighting in the beginning, and they lost a ninja. Okay, ended up packing up and saying they're no longer fighting because they don't want to lose another ninja. However, they are so built to be ninjas that they cannot help it, that at any given moment they will use their skills as ninja in like ordinary jobs. But grandmother is very, very intriguing. You should look out for her. It's really good and you should check it out. Again, it's called House of Ninja. And all right, so I'll like do more of that if you guys want, like, you know, recommendation for shows, because I love reality shows. Talk to you guys later.